to the channel, glad to have you here. In today's video we're going to talk about how to use QR codes to boost Amazon KDP sales, and I'm going to cover 11 creative ways to use QR codes for KDP. Now, before we get started, if you are new to the channel, we do daily videos talking about profitable Amazon KDP keywords, as well as passive income stream strategies, tips and tricks to help you get started making passive income online. So if it's something that you are interested in, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and on the bell icon in order to be notified on all our new videos. Now imagine having a tool that boosts your book's visibility and at the same time enhances reader engagement. In this video, I'm going to dive into the world of QR codes, which is a powerful and often underestimated tool that has the potential to transform how you connect with your audience and your readers. From driving social media engagement to offering exclusive content, QR codes can supercharge your KDP sales. So let's talk about how these QR codes work. So QR codes have emerged as a dynamic tool that can bridge the gap between digital and physical platforms. But how can these little black and white squares enhance and boost your KDP sales? I'm going to cover a step-by-step guide to using QR codes, and I'm going to help you discover how these can revolutionize your book marketing. I'm going to cover step-by-step how to get started. Step 1, access the QR code generator. You can head over to selfpublishingtitans.com and they have a product page, and then you can select from the bar QR code generator. Now, Self-Publishing Titans is one of the best, or has one of the best tools to generate QR codes. There is also other ways that you can generate a QR code, but this one's the most simplified version and it is just as effective. So then again, selfpublishingtitans.com, head over to product page and select QR code generator. Step 2 is creating your QR code. So creating the QR code has always been a challenge, but here we're going to simplify it for you. First off, head over to KDP resources, which you can find on the website. Step 2 is to click on the QR code generator, and step 3, simply enter the link or the website that you want to associate with the QR code. This could be your book's Amazon page. This could be the social media profiles of your brand's page, for example, or any other relevant destination that you want to link to. Step 3 is to download your QR code. So once you enter the desired link, the generator will then craft a unique QR code just for that link. I want you to go ahead and click on the download QR code to save your creation. Now we're going to also talk about 11 creative ways on how you can use QR codes for Amazon KDP. Starting off with social media connection. I want you to go ahead and invite readers to follow you on various social media platforms. It's super powerful. Your QR code can lead them to either your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, or your YouTube profiles, and it can really foster and create a direct connection from author to readers. The second way to use QR code is a book club creation. So you can go ahead and fuel engagement, boost the engagement by establishing a dedicated book club Facebook group. Your QR code works to provide a seamless link for readers to invite them to join, to invite them to share insights about your book and about your creations. The third way is effortless reviews, and this is super powerful. So you can simplify the review process by guiding readers to your book's review page. A quick scan can really save them time when helping you accumulate valuable feedback at the same time. The fourth way is through an instant question and answer. You can go ahead and invite readers to connect with you through platforms like WhatsApp, Messenger, or even email. You can go ahead and answer questions personally. This really adds a human touch to your author-reader relationship and keeps you credible at the same time. The fifth way is through interactive surveys. You can gain insights into your readers' preferences, into your readers' interest by creating surveys. In order to create surveys, my favorite free method is to use Google Forms to craft these surveys, and then you can share them through the QR codes. The sixth way is through book trailers. So if you've created a captivating book trailer, you can use QR codes to link readers directly to it on platforms like YouTube. And the seventh way is enriched content, and that is by offering readers exclusive content like coloring images or photo galleries related to your book, and this will really help to enhance the reader experience. And the eighth way is author introduction. And this is where you establish a personal connection by sharing a video introducing yourself as the author. And what that does is it builds a strong bond with your audience. The ninth way is through seamless series progression. So basically, if you're choosing to write a series, you can go ahead and use QR codes to guide readers from one book to the next. And this really creates a seamless journey. The 10th way is a bonus downloads, and this is really a winner right here. So you can go ahead and offer readers with free downloadable content that is connected to your book, or that is connected to whatever, activity book or coloring book. It could include bonus chapters, guides, further coloring pages, and many more. And the final 11th way is audio book access, and this really is for a high content book, so you can enhance the reader's convenience by linking a QR code to an audio version of the book, and this allows them to enjoy your work on the go. So integrating QR codes into your Amazon KDP strategy, what that does is it opens doors to creativity, engagement, and increased boosted sales. Highly recommend you take advantage of QR codes today. And remember, understanding your audience and tailoring your QR code usage to their preferences and their needs is essential to be successful on Amazon KDP. And if you are interested in videos such as these, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our daily videos. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.